Okay, here's the Rambler engine. As you can see, it's a straight 6-cylinder engine, 196 cubic inch capacity. Pretty stock standard. Note the oil filter right at the front in a very handy spot. The carburettor has been replaced. It's now running a Stromberg Bendix downdraft, which is off a Holden, early model Holden. The original Holly was damaged and an old Bendix Stromberg was fitted, but I upgraded to a reconditioned one which runs pretty well. So the engine's running pretty well. Starts first time every go, pretty much, and although I haven't had it out on the road to test as the car's still unregistered, but I think it'll work pretty well. I do have a reconditioned head under this plastic cover down there, which one day will go on the carb, but for now it's all running pretty smooth.